Control X, cut selected data, move selected data one side to another side. Control V, place the data. Control V, place the data. Select the data. Control C for copy. Control V for place the data. Control C, copy. Select the data. Control plus C. Press Control plus C. Copy the data. Then place the data where you want. Place the data. Control V for place the data. Control Z, undo. Control Z, undo. Undo. One step back. Undo. One step back. Undo. Control Z, undo. Control A, select all. Control A, select all data. Control A, select